Ever wonder how a cough actually works? It all begins with a deep breath. Picture this: your glottis, that tiny opening in your throat, closes tightly. Then, your expiratory muscles contract powerfully. When the glottis suddenly opens, a rush of air blasts out, clearing away any foreign particles or mucus. It's like your body's built-in cleaning system. But if the glottis doesn't close properly or if those respiratory muscles are weak, the cough loses its punch. That's why maintaining strong respiratory health is crucial. It ensures your cough is effective, helping you stay clear and healthy. So, take a moment to appreciate this amazing process every time you cough.